Hi everyone. For today's activity, I am going rather to explain my activity, which is a Python program I created. It has three main features, which is the greeting bot in here, the the grade checker, which is in this part, and an age calculator, which is in this part. So let's go through the entire code from the very beginning. We are going to see the program each with where it started the while loop, which this means this part in here, um the program will keep running unless we're going to manually break it later. So which is it asks for the first thing is that it asks for the user to enter their name. So let's just put my name here, and then here whatever we are going to input in this part, it will display with everything. Now for the display menu, which is in here, after the greeting is that it shows another loop, which this inner loop shows the main menu. If the user and the user can choose what they want to do next. So in this part here, the user enters the number 1 to 3. So if you're going to use the one, then this number decide which feature will run. So we are going to choose number one. And then if we are going to choose number one, which is the grade checker, it asks for the student score, which is in here. The score it has assigned part, which is we are going to enter between 0 and 100. So which is it says here that 90 to 100 is A, um 80 to 89 is B, 70 to 79 C, 60 to 69 D, and 0 to 59 is F. And then if you're going to input rate our score in here, let's just say 81. So it shows in here that our grade is B. Now let's move on. If we are going to, input between beyond 0 to 100, it will show the else part, which is invalid score. Please enter a value between 0 to 100. Now, for the age calculator, you're going to choose the number 2. It asks for to enter a birth year. So in this part, the user enters the birth year. So let's put our birth year. So the program which is in here, which is we have here a current year, and put add a value to the age, and then um what we have entered in here, which is the birth year, it going to subtract the current year, and it means that this is our age after the subtotal of this subtraction. So we're going to enter this. It shows that our age is 20 years old. Now for the exit part, if we are going to use 3, it shows the print. Then the breaks, it stops the inner loop and it returns to the top asking for our name again, which is this part. So if we are going to, put an invalid choice between 1 to 3, it shows this part. So that's it.